The Tecno Camon series and the Infinix Note series have emerged as significant contenders in the smartphone market, offering a blend of advanced features and competitive pricing. Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. Today we are throwing these two into the ring, the Tecno Camon 40 Premier 5G versus the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G. Both launched in March 2025. We are breaking it down across 10 epic categories, crowning a winner each time. The objective is to equip potential buyers with detailed understanding of the strengths and weaknesses of each device. And trust me, it's going to be wide. Buckle up, hit the like button and let's dive in. First up, design and build quality. The Tecno Camon 40 Premier 5G struts in with a curvy glass back and a sleek metal frame, weighs 193 grams, feels premium, but boasts an impressive IP68/IP69 rating. Exceptional resistance for both dust and water, including the ability to withstand submersion in water and high-pressure water jets. Whereas the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G uses a glass front and aluminum frame. Infinix emphasizes the durability aspect by referring its frame as ultra-resistant armor alloy metal frame performance design and aerospace-grade aluminum. It weighs 209 grams. The increased weight could contribute to more substantial feel, although it might be less comfortable for prolonged single-handed use compared to the Tecno. The Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G features an IP64 rating for splash, water and dust resistance. While this rating offers protection against water splashes from any direction and dust ingress, it does not provide the same level of protection against submersion as the Tecno IP69 rating. Both use premium materials. An enhanced durability for the Tecno gives it a slight edge. Next, the display quality. Tecno has a 6.67-inch LTPO AMOLED display. The use of the LTPO, that is low temperature polycrystalline oxide technology, allows for a more dynamic and efficient adjustment of the screen's refresh rates, potentially conserving battery life without compromising the smoothness of visuals. This display boasts a resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels, a high refresh rate of 144 Hz, and 1600 nits of brightness. Protection is provided by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, offering a good level of resistance against scratches and minor impacts. While the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G sports a slightly larger 6.78-inch AMOLED display. While it utilizes AMOLED technology for vibrant colors and deep blacks, it is not specified as LTPO, but it features an FHD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2436 pixels and also offers a 144 Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and gaming. The display reaches a peak brightness of 1300 nits, which is quite bright but slowly lower than the Tecno's. It is a tie here. Both offer excellent 144 Hz refresh rates. The choice depends on individual preferences for sharpness versus responsiveness and color accuracy. It's time to flex those muscles. Both the Tecno Camon 40 Premier 5G and the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G are powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset built on a 4nm process. These powerful combinations ensures that both devices are capable of handling demanding applications, multitasking, and graphically intensive games with ease. The Tecno Camon 40 Premier 5G comes equipped with 12GB of RAM and 256 or 512GB of internal storage. The Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G also features 12GB of RAM with 256GB of internal storage, utilizing the faster UFS 4.0 standard. The faster UFS 4.0 storage in the Infinix might lead to slightly quicker data access speed compared to the Tecno, although the difference might not be noticeable in typical usage. AI features. The Tecno Camon 40 Premier 5G features a unique AI feature than any other budget smartphone on the market. A dedicated remappable flash snap button allows for quick activation of camera or a voice assistant called Ella. This button can also be reconfigured to launch other voices assistants, such as Gemini, or to perform different actions like turning on the flashlight. The overall software experience on the iOS 15 is reported to be more AI-driven. Infinix is also heavily promoting its AI capabilities with one-tap Infinix AI Infinity. The Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G comes with a suite of AI features as part of the Infinix AI Infinity beta plan. These include generative AI tools like AI Eraser, AI Cutout, AI Writing, and AI Wallpaper Generator. It also features Fulax, a comprehensive AI assistant capable of recognizing on-screen content, translating texts, and supporting cross-app voice commands. AI-powered camera features such as AIGC Portrait and Street Snap are also included. Additionally, the Infinix offers a translator, a summary tool, and an S-Boost AI engine, likely for optimizing performance during gaming section. While both brands are focusing on AI integration, Infinix appears to offer a broader and more comprehensive set of AI features, particularly with the inclusion of generative AI capabilities and a more versatile AI assistant. However, Tecno beats in glowing lights, AI-powered camera mode for super night and portrait modes, Ella AI voice assistants, and smart scene detection. The Tecno Camon 40 Premier 5G runs on the latest Android 15 operating system, overlaid with Tecno's custom iOS 15 user interface. iOS 15 is reported to have undergone significant improvements, with a focus on AI integration and an enhanced overall user experience, including UI tweaks and better performance. Users have noted a more refined feel to the software, even down to the font. The Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G also launches with Android 15, featuring Infinix custom XOS 15 user interface. The iOS 15 appears to be a step further for Tecno, but both phones offers latest Android version and long-term software support. Now the camera. The Tecno Camon 40 Premier 5G features a versatile triple camera system on the rear, comprised of a 50MP main sensor optical image stabilization, that's the OIS, a 50MP periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 50MP ultra-wide lens. The main sensor is a Sony LTY700C, indicating the use of high-quality sensor. For selfies, it sports a high-resolution 50MP front-facing camera. The rear camera can record video at 4K resolution at 30 and 60 frames per second with HDR and 1080p at 30 frames per second, while the front camera supports 4K video recording at 30 frames per second and 1080p. Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G also boasts a triple camera system on the rear, featuring a 50MP main sensor with multi-directional PDAF, OIS, and a Sony IMX896 sensor. It also has a 50MP periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. However, its ultra-wide lens has a lower resolution of 8MP. The rear camera can record videos at 4K resolution at 30 and 60 frames per second and also at 1080p, while the front camera records at 4K at 30 frames per second and 1080p at 30 or 60 frames per second. The choice between these two likely depends on whether the user prioritizes high-resolution ultra-wide and selfie cameras of Tecno or more advanced video features and potentially better low-light zoom, which Infinix offers. For the battery, the Tecno Camon 40 Premier 5G is powered by a 5100 mAh battery. It supports 7 watts wired fast charging, allowing for relatively quick replenishment of the battery. It does not support wireless charging, while the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G packs a slightly larger 5200 mAh battery. Additionally, it offers 50 watts wireless Mark charge and reverse charging capabilities, allowing it to charge other devices. It also includes bypass charging, which can be beneficial for gamers. The Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G has a clear advantage in battery and charging technology. It offers a larger battery, faster wired charging, and added convenience of wireless charging and reverse charging features that is not available in Tecno Camon 40 Premier 5G. Sound and connectivity. The Tecno Camon 40 Premier 5G is equipped with stereo speakers, providing a more immersive audio experience. It supports 24 high-resolution audio, NFC for contactless transactions, and features Bluetooth version 5.4, along with a USB Type-C 2.0 ports. The Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G also features stereo speakers, which are tuned by JBL, suggesting a potentially enhanced audio quality. It supports 24-bit high-resolution audio and high-resolution wireless audio, along with DTS processing. Of course, powered by a 4nm MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Ultimate chipset, plus advanced network capabilities, including 5G similar to the Tecno, and a USB Type-C 2.0 port. Additionally, it features an X-axis motor for improved high-peak feedback. The Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G appears to offer more comprehensive sound and connectivity package. Its JBL-tuned stereo speakers with high resolution and DTS support suggest a superior audio experience. Unboxing. As usual, both phones come with a charger, a USB Type-C cable, a protective case, a SIM ejector tool, and documentation. However, The Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G seems to offer slightly better unboxing experience with the inclusion of more powerful 120 watts charger, which is higher than the 70 watts charger from the Tecno. It also has an earpiece and a versatile USB Type-C to Type-C cable, which can be more convenient for connecting to other modern devices and potentially offers faster data transfer speeds. For prices, both phones have similar price brackets, but the Infinix edges a little bit in price range. Tecno is at $300 to $320, while Infinix is at $300 to $350, which is a bit pricier. Your wallet will decide on this one. Both the Tecno Camon 40 Premier 5G and the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G are compelling smartphones with flagship level specifications. From the analysis so far, you can see the strengths and the weaknesses of both devices. The choice is yours to make. Thank you for watching this video. We really appreciate your continuous support. Smash the like button and say what you think about these two phones in the comment section. And stay creative, live in the moment. Till meet next time, bye for now.